Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underground here, and basically what this is a COVID testing kit. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 4 of them. They do have another version where it comes with 5 of them, but it doesn't matter which one you guys get because both of them work the same way and they probably got the same stuff. It's just different quantity. But you see right here in the corner, they do mention what's included. So they basically probably got the test device, they probably got the swab, they probably got the tubes with the buffer and tips, and they also probably got an instruction manual. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, and we see there's a lot of stuff inside, let's take it all out. So first thing inside, they do probably got an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it, with step-by-step instructions. So first thing I'm going to do is to put the tube inside the tube holder, which I'll show you guys in a second. Next thing I'm going to do is to open up the tube. After you guys open the tube, then you guys want to open the cotton swab. And using the swab, you guys want to do a circle motion on both sides for 5 times. After you guys do that, you guys want to put the swab inside the tube and move it in a circle in 6 times. Once you guys do that, you guys want to put the tube back into the actual tube holder and leave it in there for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you guys want to take out the swab and squeeze out all the liquid out from the swab. And once you guys do that, you guys can put on the tip. And then once you guys add in the tip, you guys want to open up the device and you guys want to squeeze the liquid into it so that way you can do the test result. So I'm actually show you guys what I mean. So right here, and we see we do have the tube, and right here we do have the lid. So basically want to put the lid on top once you guys finish all the tests, like I mentioned. But right here, we see we do have the test device. And right here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do open it. I don't want to open it right now because I'm not doing the test, and I don't want to waste it because these are actually very expensive. But pretty much once you guys squeeze the liquid inside, you guys want to wait 15 minutes. And then once you guys see the result, this is basically what the result should look like. So if you guys have both lines, that means positive. If you guys have one line on C, it's negative. If you have one line on T, that means invalid, and you have to do it again. So this is the test device. And then right here we do have the swab option. So they do provide guys 4 of them in this kit. And that is basically everything that's included in this kit. So if you guys ever forget about how to actually do everything in terms of different steps, they do provide guys all the information right here in the actual instruction manual. And if you guys are curious about where the tube holder, it's basically in the back of the box. You can see right here and here. So they do give you guys 2 slots where you have to put in the tube. So you just want to poke it inside. So it shouldn't be too hard for you guys to actually do it if you guys do follow all the instructions correctly. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to the unboxing of the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this COVID test kit, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are feeling any kind of COVID symptom, they definitely want to test to make sure you guys are okay before you guys see friends or family or even go for a trip. And it's just nice to have any kind of COVID test kit at home just in case. So that way you do have the option to test whether or not you guys do have COVID. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.